Michael.
Hi, everybody!
Hi.
And welcome to Fun Reading Time! My name is Daddy, but you can call me Uncle Mike. This is...
I did the Michael.
And that is...
Juliet.
And look, Alexander's holding a blue truck. You know why?
Like that. Because we're reading Little Blue Truck.
That's right, Juliet!
Hey.
We're reading Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle, one of our favorite books. We have a lot of favorites, but this is one of our real favorites. Okay, are you ready, gang?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go. The horn went
Beep.
the engine purred. Friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road.
Beep.
Said Blue to a big green toad. The toad said,
Good.
and winked an eye. When Little Blue Truck went rolling by. The sheep said, the cow said, Blink said a piggy, and
Beep.
said Blue. Cluck said a chicken, and a chick said,
Beep.
Ma said a goat, and Blue said,
Beep.
Neigh said a horse, and
Quack.
said a duck, and
Beep.
said the friendly Little Blue Truck.
I like the big one.
Like the big one. Here we go. Ready? Honk! Yelled Dump Truck. Coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every little duck along the way. Vroom! Went Dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and tried to swerve. Then into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and its big important wheels got stuck.
Suck.
Oh, dear me.
What are we going to do?
We're going to find out.
Yeah.
His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk! Said the dump. And he sounded scared, but nobody heard. Or,
Nobody cared.
yeah. Well, then into the mud
Bum, bum, bum.
rolled Little Blue Truck to help the
Like
dump.
they one. And the
Little
big
Blue
one.
push! Ah! With all of his might. Whoa! That was a big push. But now, Blue and the dump were both stuck tight.
What are we going to do?
What are we going to do? Indeed, Alexander, indeed.
Yeah.
Well,
And the-
help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck.
Beep, beep, beep.
I'm stuck, stuck, stuck. Well, everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running and the pig and the sheep. Well, up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. The goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everyone pushed the Little Blue Truck. I'm excited. Are you excited? Yes.
Yeah.
Whew. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load, but who popped up? A big green toad! All together now, 1, 2, 3, one last push! And the trucks were free. Hooray! Well, thanks, little brother, said Dump to Blue. You helped me.
And they helped you.
Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everyone scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bat, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. All right, hooray! Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time with Fun Reading Time.